Yes, good morning to all. In the previous lecture, as I gave you this question for construction of PDA, so how many of you have done this question? How many of you have done this question? If you feel any problem, okay, good, very good, Simran. And others, please reply. If you feel any problem or any difficulty to design the PDA for A and B2N, then please let me know. If you feel any problem, then just write problem in your chat box. If you done this question completely, then just write done or yes, right? So please reply through the chat box so that I can understand whether you learned the construction part or not. Good. Very good. Very good. So all of you have done the question. Now, in this question, what you have to do in this question, जिन लोगों ने किया होगा, जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया उनके लिए मैं एक बार और बता दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि जिन लोगों ने पूछा नहीं है. In this course, just we have to compare this A with B, but the condition is number of A are number of B is just double to the number of A. So how can we compare this one? So for comparison point of view, just the logic is just we will push twice A into the stack when we read single A from the tape. Means एक A को हम tape से read करेंगे. On that time, just we should push twice A into the stack so that whenever ये तो हमें पहले से पता है कि B कितना आएगा, double आएगा, because as I already told you that PDA always designed for accepted case, right? So in this case, B number of B always must be the twice of A. So जैसे B आएगा, just we will compare B by A and we cancel out A or pop out A from the stack. So just similar to the previous one. So just you can see the diagram. For this is the final diagram for this one. As we see, as we read A from the tape, and initially Z naught will be the stack. So just we are pushing double A into the stack. And the same thing, when we push Z naught into the stack, in this case, A will be the topmost element into the stack. So in this case, again A, if we read again A from the tape, and in this case, the topmost element is again A. So A from stack and A from tape. So in this situation, just we are increased by 2. But here we are writing 3. So first is this one is the similar as Z naught, means A को balance करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पर A को push कर रहा हूँ. But your stack will be increased by 2 points in compared to previous one. So simply, if as soon as we read a single A from the tape, we will increase by 2 step, or just we have to push 2 symbol or 2A into the stack. So this is the simple logic. And after this is the same thing as the previous one, A and VN, because in this case आपने क्या किया, A आपने 2 मिला तो आपने 4 डाल दिया, और तो B तो 4 आने वाला है ही. तो जैसे ही B आएगा टेप से और हेड से स्टैक से हम रीड करेंगे A, इन दैट केस हम क्या करेंगे, कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे. वी डोंट रिक्वायर टू पुश एनी सिंबल इनटू द स्टैक. अब आप बताइए, इसमें ये मैंने इसलिए बताया जिसको थोड़ी सी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो उनके लिए. ओके, तो अनुष्का क्लियर हो गया? अनुष्का, आपको क्लियर हो गया बेटा? डायग्राम भी बता दिया मैंने, लॉजिक भी आपको बता दिया. Very good, very good, good. Now, on the same way, next problem is, in this case, you have to design a PDA for L equals to W, where number of A in W must be equal to the number of B in W. This is the another case similar to first question, but it has some difference. The difference is, in case of first one, like A to the A iteration of N and B iteration of N, in this case it is clear that after completion of A there will be B. तो आपने क्या किया था, A को आप स्टैक में पुश करते चले गए, जैसे B आया तो आपने कैंसिल आउट करा दिया. बट इन दिस केस A से शुरुआत हो सकती है आपकी, और आपकी शुरुआत B से भी हो सकती है. योर मशीन विल स्टार्ट विद A और विद B, और आफ्टर A देयर विल बी B, और देयर में बी A एंड देयर में बी B. कुछ भी सीक्वेंस कहीं भी आ सकता है, बट you have to match, you have to verify that the number of A must be equal to number of B. So just try to design the PDF for this. I'm giving just 2 minutes for you. Just find out the logic and design the transition diagram for this PDA. ये मैंने करा दिया था क्या? मैंने अभी नहीं कराया ना आपकी सेक्शन में? ओके ओके, करने को दिया था, ठीक है. करिए बेटा फटाफट, आ रहा है या नहीं सही? ओके ओके रोशनी, थैंक यू बेटा. अब करिए फटाफट, किसका हुआ किसका नहीं. Yes, who have done this question? किसी का हुआ? The logic is very clear in this question. As soon as your starting may be from A or by B. If you start your machine by A, then simply push into the stack. Or if we start by B, then just push into the stack. Right? As soon as you get another A with A, मतलब एक A पहले से है आपके पास, और इसका मतलब वो A push हो चुका होगा stack में. Now you get another A from the tape side, then just push into the stack. Or if B is in the stack and you are getting B from the tape, then in this case, just push B into the stack. Clear? If we get A from the tape side and B from the stack side, or A from tape and B from stack side, or B from tape or A from stack side, right? So in this case, we don't require to push anything else, right? So the diagram किसका हुआ complete? Very good, beta. Good. Prashant, thank you. And so the answer will be like this. You can see, simply, very simple question it is. This question, you can just see the diagram final of this question. As I told you, as soon as you get A from the tape side, means your starting or string is A, then just Z naught will be the stack part. So just push A into the stack. or if we start with B, just push into the stack. It is simple. So these two operations are cleared. These one. Now I think it is clear to you, right? So if I said, if suppose A from the tape side and A is already in the topmost side of the stack, means A पहले से stack में, कब होगा? जब आपने ये वाला operation perform किया होगा, right? If you are getting another A, तो आपका ये वाला operation perform होगा. Just you have to push all A into the stack. और अगर B से शुरुआत हुई आपकी और दूसरा B है, in this case, this operation will be applied. तो आप क्या होगा? सारे B store होते हुए चले जाएंगे. But as soon as you get A from the tape side and B from the stack side, in this case, you have to perform the comparison between these A and B. That's why just you can say, you can assume here, we are cancel out this one, है ना? So in this case, we are pushing nothing into the stack, means हमारा टेप भी आगे चला जाएगा और हमारा स्टैक का जो पॉइंटर है that will also be decreased by 1. Is it clear? Or the same operation will be applied on this one. If B is from the tape and A is on the stack side. So in this situation, simply we are cancel out these two variable, means just decrease the pointer of the stack and increase just pointer of the stack simply. So we are not pushing any symbol into the stack. Simple. अब क्या हुआ? Finally, आपका टेप खाली हो गया. Means you are getting null from the tape side because tape is empty. And in this situation, suppose your stack is in Z0 position, means Z0 means stack is empty, because in this situation there is no element in the stack. So this is the simply this will be the simply condition of final state. So it will be the final answer. If you feel any problem in this question, then please let me know. Yes, रोशनी ले सकते हो बेटा, A B B A ले सकते हो. In this case also number of A and number of B are equal. बिल्कुल ले सकते हो. आप चेक करा के देखिए, A भी एक्सेप्ट होगा. रोशनी आपका कहना था A B B A. This is in this case. This question cannot be this string cannot be taken in the previous example, that is A and B N. But in this situation, you can consider this string. In this case, number of A are 2 and number of B are 2. So this string must be satisfied by this PDA. So just we can check after reading A from the tape side, and Z0 will be the stack side. So in this case, just we will take the stack position also. This is the stack position initially, and you are getting A from the tape side. So just you are pushing A into the stack, right? Again, you are now your top pointer will point out to A. Clear? So and now second symbol from the tape is B. So A is top, A is the stack position, and B is from tape sides. Just see this one. B is ये वाला लगेगा यहाँ पर. B from tape और A कहाँ पर होगा? टॉप पर. तो क्या कर देंगे आप? You not required to push anything into the stack. तो आपने stack में कुछ push नहीं किया, तो ये तो यहाँ से pop out हो गया. Now again you are pointing out to Z0 location. Now you are getting B from the tape side, right? And Z0 will be the stack side. So B will be the this operation. B from tape side and Z0 from stack side. So just push B into the stack. So in this place, just we have to push B. And top pointer will be pointed out this B, right? As soon as you get A from the tape side, so the condition is A from the tape side, this one, and B from the stack side, because top pointer point out to B. So in this situation, just we should write null. So just it means that no need to write anything else. You point out to Z0. Now see on the tape, there is any symbol remaining? No. Here you will get null. And in case of the stack, you are getting Z0. So this is the final condition of acceptability, that is finalist. Roshni, clear hua? Now it is clear. So you can take any string that belongs to this set and try to execute the machine. If you execute the machine with the final state, it means the designed machine is perfect. So it is clear. Now it is clear. Others, please reply. It is clear. So there is a difference between A and BN, and number of A W is equals to number of B W. The difference is, in this case, there A can be admit at any position, right? Or A can be encounter at any position, while in case of A and BN, A will be encounter first, then B will, after completion of A, B will be encounter, right? This is the basic difference between these two machines. Now, on the basis of these questions, just I would like to share one more question. Just try to design a PDA for L is equals to AN, BN, CM. Or before going to design a PDA for this AN, BN or CM, just I would like to design, I want to discuss the construction of PDA for AN, BM. इसको बहुत फास्ट करो आप लोग, है ना? After that, we will discuss the construction of AN, BN, and CM, right? In this case, AN, BM, where N, M is greater than equals to 1. इसको करो जल्दी से, जिसने भी नहीं किया है. वेरी गुड. ये हो गया. जिन लोगों ने AN, BM वाला हो कर लिया है, राइट, दे कैन स्टार्ट AN, BN, CM. तो जिन्होंने अभी तक AN, BM वाला नहीं किया, तो first try to solve or try to design a PDA for this one. Those who have completed the PDA for AN, BM, they can start the construction of PDA for AN, BN, CM. Just hurry up. अब मैं जिससे पूछूंगा वो आंसर देगा, ठीक है? आप लोग ये 10-15 लोग हैं जो मेनली इसमें आंसर करते हैं. अब मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, जिन लोगों को, उनको बताना होगा कि AN, BN को कैसे डिजाइन करना है, राइट? चलिए मैं तैयारी करता हूँ. Shashank Pandey, are you there? Just write the main concept for constructing AN, BM. What should be the restriction? Keep in mind at the time of designing a PDA for AN, BM. बताओ बेटा. इसका AN, BM को बताओ बेटा शशांक. Ritika Bansal, are you there? Just explain me the concept of designing a PDA for AN, BM. How can you design a PDA for AN, BM? मैं अगर इसमें कुछ थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बोलूंगा, कोई भी लाइन एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, तो वो बाय डिफॉल्ट इसका सॉल्यूशन ही होगा AN, BM का. वरुण, साहिल, ऋषभ, are you attending the class? So just write me the simple concept of designing AN, BM. आप जिसको भी कहेंगे मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर दूंगा, तो आप बता भी सकते हो अगर आप लिखना नहीं चाह रहे. बस केवल बता दीजिए मुझे चैट बॉक्स के थ्रू, फिर मैं अनम्यूट कर दूंगा अगर आपको बताना है वॉइस के थ्रू. तो शशांक बेटा कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा, मैं तो मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा हूं. या लिख के बताएंगे आप? यस शशांक. आपको मैंने अनम्यूट कर दिया। ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स जिनका मैंने नाम लिया था अभी, उन लोगों का क्या हुआ? शशांक, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू शिवरन। कोई डाउट तो नहीं आया? आशुतोष चौहान, व्हाट अबाउट यू? हैव यू डिजाइन दिस पीडीए? रोशनी, मैं आपको इसको दोबारा मैं आपको दोबारा से इसको बताता हूँ। बहुत सिंपल है ये चीज। अभी मैं अगर आपको बताऊंगा तो आपको लगेगा कि आपने गलती की है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व ना करके। द रीजन इज we can utilize PDA to compare the numbers. This means if you need to compare the number by another number, then we can utilize PDA, right? यही तो हमारा PDA का काम था और stack का काम था especially. So if you don't need to perform the comparison between any two variable or between any two alphabet, then there is no need to push any symbol into the stack. Are you getting my point? In this case, two stack alphabet बेटा क्या बता रहे हैं आप? We'll take two stack alphabet. Two stack alphabet का मतलब क्या है शशांक? This in this question you can see a iteration of A is n times and iteration of B is m times. It means that there is no relationship between A and B. You don't require to compare the iteration of A and with the iteration of B because both are independent. If we apply here A n B n, it means the iteration of A is n times and iteration of B is n times. So in this case, you must perform the comparison between A and B, right? That number of A must be equal to number of B. But in this situation, no need to compare A and B because iteration of A is n times and iteration of B is n times. Are you getting my point? तो अब मैं क्या करूं? मैं जब A को रीड करूं, listen here, मैंने A को रीड करा यहां से मुझे क्या मिलेगा? A मिलेगा पहले, कितने भी मिल सकते हैं, है ना? और फिर मुझे क्या मिलेगा? B मिलेगा, कितने भी मिल सकते हैं। और Z0 will be the initial position on the stack because it is the initial symbol, as you know. So simply as soon as I read A from the tape, तो मैं क्या करूं? मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूं, टेप से मैं रीड करूं केवल A. In this situation we will read Z0 from stack side. तो मैं स्टैक में क्या करूं? वापस से Z0 को ही डाल दूं केवल, बस। मुझे A से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। A डालने की जरूरत कब पड़ती? Whenever we required, we have to perform the comparison between A and B. But in this situation, there is no need to perform the comparison. So no need to push A into the stack. Simply, you are just whenever you perform the transition, just read or pop Z0 from the stack and again push Z0 to the stack. This is the simple logic behind this. As soon as you get B from the tape, simply Z0 will be there. So just read B from the tape, Z0 from stack and push Z0 to the stack again. So no need to push A or B in case of stack when you perform the PDA construction of A and B M, because there is no similarity between A and B, no relationship between A and B. A and B are independent. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था कि स्टैक का जो हम यूज करते हैं, तो स्टैक का यूज हम तब करेंगे जब हमको कोई भी कंपैरिजन परफॉर्म करना है. If we don't require to perform any comparison, in this case, no need to push the symbol into the stack unnecessarily, right? So see here, so in this question you can see you have to perform the comparison with A and B, while C is independent to A and B. Means just number of A must be equal to number of B, but C is independent of this comparison, right? So how can we perform this one? सिंपल, दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। आप अगर इसको देखें थोड़ा सा गौर से देखें, ये हमारा पहला वाला क्वेश्चन है यहां तक, राइट? तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, जस्ट आई हैव डिजाइन द सेम क्वेश्चन एज फर्स्ट वन। और इसके बाद फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या आएगा? सी तो आएगा नहीं, ए और बी खत्म होने के बाद क्या आएगा? नल। तो नल आएगा तो वहां क्या मिलेगा? ए और बी जब बराबर हो जाएंगे तो जेड नॉट। So in this question, particularly in this question, you will get C in place of null. So just you write here C and Z naught will be the stack side, and just push the Z naught to the stack side and you will get the final answer. अब ये हो सकता है कि और C आए तो क्या होगा? So you can design a loop here. आप इसमें लूप और लगा सकते हैं अगर इसमें ये लगा हुआ है। और C आते जाएंगे, कोई भी C, कितने भी C हों, तो हर बार क्या होगा? टॉप पर क्या मिलेगा? स्टैक में Z naught. Just we have to push Z naught onto the stack. So it will be the final answer for AN, VN, CM. On the similar way, you can perform the PDA, you can design the PDA for AM, BN, CN also, or AN, BM, CN also, right? So this is the simple method to designing such type of, PDAs. Is it clear to all? वेरी गुड। नल जेड नॉट की बेटा यहाँ जरूरत इसलिए नहीं है कि जब हमारा ए और बी, सिमरन आपने पूछा है, व्हेन ए एंड बी आर कंपेयर्ड इन दिस सिचुएशन, द पोजीशन ऑफ स्टैक विल बी जेड नॉट होगा आपकी स्टैक की पोजीशन में, राइट? और यहां से कंप्लीट हो चुके होंगे ए और बी, ये तभी तो जेड नॉट मिलेगा आपको। तो इन दिस केस यू विल गेट सी फ्रॉम द टेप साइड। तो हम क्या करेंगे? नल तो यहाँ मिलेगा ही नहीं, ये वाली साइड होगी, ठीक है ना? और फिर हमारा सी कितना भी मिले, हमें आगे नल को कंपैरिजन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। हम आगे नल कब देखते हैं? हम आगे तब देखते हैं कि कहीं हमारा बी बच तो नहीं गया है, राइट? कि ए हमारे पूरे हो गए, बी हमारे कहीं बी के बाद नल आ रहा है कि नहीं, बी के इटरेशन पूरे हो गए या नहीं। समझ रहे हो ना बेटा सिमरन? बट इन दिस सिचुएशन यू नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू परफॉर्म द कंपैरिजन ऑफ सी। तो सी कितने भी हो हमारा घूमता जाएगा, हर बार यही घूमता जाएगा, नल की जरूरत ही नहीं है। Are you getting my point? So this will be the final answer for question. So it is clear to all? Any problem? If anyone has anyone facing any type of problem, then please let me know. Very good. तो अब आपको समझ आया। मैंने स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा आपको बेस बनाने के लिए क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए, स्टैक की पोजीशन डिस्कस की, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड और यू कैन विजुअलाइज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पीडीए, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसी तरीके से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वी विल इंक्रीज आवर स्ट्रेंथ। हम लोग इसी तरीके से इसकी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाते जाएंगे पीडीए की, राइट? तो जस्ट फॉर टुमारो just design a PDA for AN, BM and CN. Design a PDA for AN, BM and CN, where the limit is same, this one. Just design a PDA for AN, BM and CN. डिजाइन द पीडीएफ फॉर दैट। अभी डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, अभी करिए। In this situation, you have performed the comparison of A with C, not with B. So this point should keep in mind at the time of designing a PDA. Now it is clear. So after this, you can also design a PDA for AM, BN, CN. Right? This is just similar to this one. In this case, we are going to perform the comparison of A and B. So if we apply AM, BN, CN, it means no A is independent from B and C, but B and C are dependent to each other. So just you have to perform the PDA construction of PDA for AM. Another one is this one, AM, BN and CN, right? ये दो क्वेश्चन आपको करने ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. मैंने आपको ये क्वेश्चन करा के दे दिया. On the basis of this question, you can perform the construction of PDA for these two questions, AN, BM, CN, and second one is AM, BN, CN. So just try to design the PDA for the same. We will discuss these two questions on the next lecture. Thank you for attending the class. Thank you. अनुष्का, आपने क्या लिखा है बेटा? लॉजिक और लॉजिक बेटा सेम लगाना है जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था आपको, बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से. हमको जस्ट ये देखना है, we should push all these symbols that we have to perform the comparisons. If we don't require to perform the comparison, so no need to push any symbol into the step. Clear? Okay, ठीक है बेटा. ओके, थैंक यू. आप लोग इन दोनों क्वेश्चन को करिए, फिर हम कल इसको डिस्कस करते हैं, है ना?